Hello everyone, my name is Manny Uribe. I'm one of the culinary instructors here at Triton College. We're gonna make a quick pan sauce, right? So I love eating mushrooms. I hate washing that many dishes. So we're gonna go straight into the same pan as long as we didn't burn the whole thing. So still looking pretty good. Our Brussels look good. All right, so I'm gonna crank up the heat up. Right, so I have some fat in here. I'm gonna start incorporating some mushrooms. We're gonna bring up the heat. The mushrooms are gonna release some moisture. So if you need to add a little bit more fat, we have the olive oil on this side. If you wanted to, you can incorporate some garlic in here. We already have a good amount of garlic, so we're gonna add a little bit of onion, right? Small dice. We're gonna let this sit, let the mushrooms get some color. We're not gonna keep moving it around or else it's not really gonna do that. So we're getting a little bit of color in here. We're gonna add a little bit of cognac to this sauce. All right, this is cooking down. A little bit of cognac in here. All right, it's gonna deglaze the pan. Now you have a gas burner, you can do that, or you can just light it on fire. All right, cooking should be fun. So at this point, the alcohol reduced down. Right? So you have the pan deglazed, you have some delicious mushrooms in there. We're going to incorporate a little bit of cream and then let that reduce on. That's gonna be our sauce, right? A little bit of heavy cream in here. The key to making sure that everything's delicious is you have to taste as you go. We're gonna add a pinch of salt, a little bit more on the black pepper. And as we're cooling it down, I'm going to incorporate just a little bit of this compound butter and then mix it all together. Once I add the butter at the end, I'm not adding any more heat, all right? Or else you're gonna end up breaking this. Our delicious sauce. You can always serve this on the side or just put it right on top. Mushroom, steak, potatoes, and Brussels.